Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can secure your WordPress website by using different types of captchas. You can customize the login URL of your WordPress website so that the spammers will not be able to log into your WordPress website using the default WordPress login URL. You can also enable firewalls and block the users by IP address or by countries. And to secure the WordPress website, I'm going to use the WP Captcha plugin. Safeguard your WordPress website using WP Captcha. You can create 7 different types of captcha. You can enable the firewall. There is a cloud blacklist. You can also create custom login page and URLs using this plugin. This plugin has a free version also. However, the free version has limited features. You can create Google reCaptcha using the free version, and you can see that the free version is installed on more than 100,000 WordPress website. In this video, I'm going to use the premium version of the WP Captcha, and I'll show you how you can add different types of captchas. You can add Math Captcha, Icon Captcha, Google reCaptcha version 2, Google reCaptcha version 3, hCaptcha, Cloudflare Turnstile Captcha. I'll also show you how you can enable firewalls, country blocking. You can also customize the layout of the login page. You can also limit the login attempts to your website. The premium version of this plugin will cost you only $49 per year for a single website, in which you can create 7 different types of captchas. You can use advanced firewall and cloud blacklist. You can customize the login page and the login URL. You can also use the email-based two-factor authentication, and the country blocking is also available. So I'll show you how you can use all these features and how you can secure your WordPress website from the hackers. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and now we are going to install the WP Captcha plugin to secure the WordPress website. I do have WooCommerce installed on this demo website, and we will see how this plugin works on the WooCommerce website also. I have already downloaded the premium version of the WP Captcha plugin, and now I'm going to install it. So let's go back to the dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Click on upload plugin. Browse the plugin, Advanced Google reCaptcha Pro, click on install now. So when you buy this plugin, you are going to create an account on WP Captcha, and you will get an option to download the plugin. You simply need to click on download and it will get downloaded. You will also get license key which you will need to add on your WordPress website. Let's go back, click on activate plugin. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. If you scroll down, you will see the option WP Captcha Pro. You can go to settings from here, or you can go to settings and you will see the option here, WP Captcha Pro. Click on it. Now it will ask you to enter the license key. So let's go to the dashboard of the WP Captcha. Go to license and you will see the license key there. You need to copy the license key and enter the license key. Click on save and activate license. Alright, we have entered the license key. Now it says, in case you lock yourself out and need to whitelist your IP address, then please save this link somewhere safe. So this is the link which will help you to whitelist your IP address in case you lock yourself out. So you can copy this URL and save it somewhere. Alright, let's close it. Okay, now you will see the settings of this plugin. The first option is CAPTCHA. You will see different CAPTCHAs are available. This is how it looks when the CAPTCHA is disabled. This is the Math CAPTCHA, or you can say built-in CAPTCHA. You do not need any API key for this one. This is the Icon CAPTCHA. Select the image displayed the least amount of times. So this is another type of CAPTCHA and you do not need API key for this one. This is Google reCaptcha version 2. It will show I am not a robot. The user will need to check this box, and after that they can log into the WordPress website. This one needs API keys. I'll show you how to get the API key. This is Google reCaptcha version 3, which is invisible Google reCaptcha. The next is hCaptcha, which will also need API key. So you will need to create an account on hCaptcha and get the API keys to enable it on your WordPress website. The next is Cloudflare Turnstile. In this case also, you will need to create an account on Cloudflare and get the API keys to enable it on your WordPress website. Okay, let's start with the math CAPTCHA. Currently, the CAPTCHA is disabled. So I'm going to select math CAPTCHA and you will see the option verify CAPTCHA. Click on it. 10 minus 2 will be 8. Submit the CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA has been verified successfully, and now click on save changes. Now this CAPTCHA will be enabled on your WordPress website. Where do you want to show this CAPTCHA? Click on it and you will see this CAPTCHA will appear on login form, a registration form, lost password form, comment form. WooCommerce registration form, you will need to enable this option. WooCommerce checkout form, enable. If you are using easy digital downloads, then you can enable this option. For the WordPress registration, you can enable the option, and for the WooCommerce checkout page hook. Right, so I have enabled these options. I'm going to save the changes. Now let's open this website in another browser or using incognito mode. Let's open in private window and let's try to log in. And now you will see CAPTCHA is added. This one is a math reCAPTCHA. All right, so I can enter the email address, the password, and solve the math question. And after that, I can log in. All right, let's go back. Let's go to CAPTCHA. There is another option that is math CAPTCHA large numbers. So it will show large numbers instead of small numbers. Then we have icon CAPTCHA. The icon CAPTCHA will look like this. Again, you need to verify the CAPTCHA, and after that, you can enable this option. Then we have a reCAPTCHA version 2. If you enable this option, you will see the option to enter the Google reCAPTCHA site key and the secret key. To get the Google reCAPTCHA site key and secret key, you will need to create an account. Let me show you. Let's go to google.com and search for Google reCAPTCHA. You will see the link here, google.com. Let's go to admin console. It is asking you to register a new website. Now here you can enter the label and the domain. This will be the label of your website. The CAPTCHA type will be version 2. I am not a robot, and I'm going to enter the domain of the website. Currently I'm using the temporary website and click on submit. It says the following domain is invalid. So I just want to show you how does this work. So I'm going to add one of my domains here. All right, and you will see the site key and the secret key. You can copy the site key, go here, enter the site key, then copy the secret key and enter the secret key. Once done, you can save the changes. And after that, you will be able to add the Google reCAPTCHA version 2 on the login form. I have already added the Google reCAPTCHA on one of my websites and it will look like this. I'm trying to log into this website and I can see the Google reCAPTCHA. I just need to enter the email address, password and check this box, and after that I can log into the website. Similarly, for the Google reCAPTCHA version 3, you can enter the site key and the secret key and enable the Google reCAPTCHA version 3, which will look like this. For the hCaptcha, again, you can create an account on hCaptcha and enter the keys. For the Cloudflare, you can create an account on Cloudflare and get the API keys and enable the Cloudflare CAPTCHA on your WordPress website. All right, so I'm going to keep it on math CAPTCHA. Now let's go back to the website here and I'm going to add a product here. This is one of the WooCommerce websites, so I'm going to add one product here. Let's add this product to the cart. Let's go to checkout. Now here I'm on the checkout page and I'm not logged into the WooCommerce website, and I need to create an account as I am a new customer to this website. So when I go to checkout page, you will see the math CAPTCHA is added on the WooCommerce checkout form also. This will also reduce the spam orders on your WooCommerce website. All right, let's go back. Let's see other settings here. Let's go to activity. It will show the stats after getting enough data. Then let's go to login protection. Enable login protection. Below that, you will see maximum login retries will be 3. So the user will be able to try the CAPTCHA 3 times. And after that, it is going to block the access to the login page for that user. A retry time period restriction will be 5 minutes. So the user will be locked out for the next 5 minutes. Access lock length will be 60 minutes. Amount of time a particular IP will be blocked once an access lock has been triggered. So that particular IP address will be blocked for the next 60 minutes. You can change these numbers. You can change the maximum tries to 5 times. So the user will be able to try the CAPTCHA 5 times. A log failed attempts with non-existing username. You can enable or disable this option. Mask login errors. Block type will be completely block the website access, or you can block only the access to the login page. I think this is the better option. You do not need to block the entire website when someone tries to log into your website. Block message, you can enter the block message, or this is the default block message. You can also add whitelisted IP address. You can add your own IP address as the whitelisted IP address so that you will not get blocked out. Show the credit link. If you want to show the link, you can show that link. Advanced, these are the advanced options. If you want to change the login URL of your website, you can change it. You can add a new login URL here. Currently, we are using the default WP-admin URL to log into your website. You can change that. Let's say you can make it login-WP, something like that. And after that, this will be URL to log into your WordPress website. So the spammers will not be able to use the default WordPress login link. This is the login URL 404. This is the URL where attempts to access WP login.php or WP-admin should be redirected to. If you are using the custom URL for the login like this, then you can redirect the WP-admin or WP-login.php to some other page, or you can redirect them to the home page so that they will not be able to log in. Password check, test user password, check if any user has a weak password. So that option is available. Anonymous activity logging, log password, block the bots. You can block the bots from accessing the login page. Block login attempts with non-existing users. So these are the advanced settings that you can enable on your WordPress website. Tools, email test, send an email to test that you can receive emails from your website. So this is to test the emails from your website. Let's go to firewalls. Now these are the firewall settings. Block the bad bots. You can enable this option to block the bad bots on WordPress site. Directory traversals, also known as file path traversal, is a web security vulnerability that allows an attacker to access the files on the server. So you can enable this option. HTTP response splitting, cross-site scripting, cache poisoning, dual header, file injection or inclusion, null byte injection, PHP information leakage. So you can enable these options if you want to use the firewalls on your WordPress website. After that, we have two-factor authentication. You can enable the email-based two-factor authentication. So it is going to send an email to the user in order to log into the website. It is going to add the confirmation link. After the correct username and password are entered, the user will receive an email with a one-time link to confirm the login. So this is two-factor authentication you can enable on your WordPress website. Cloud protection. Use account whitelist and blacklist. These lists are private and available only to your website. Use the global cloud blacklist, a list of bad IPs maintained daily by Web Factory. So this company has their own list of bad IPs. It is going to block the access from these IP addresses. Cloud block type will be completely block website access, or you can block only the access to the login page. And you can customize the block messages. Country blocking. Now here currently the country blocking is disabled. You can enable the country blocking. If you want to block the access from a specific country, you can use this option. There are three different options. Whitelist mode, allow selected countries and block all the other countries. And in the blacklist mode, you can block the selected countries and allow the other countries. Then we have design here. You can enable the customizer. This is the default login. You can customize it. Let's enable this one and save the changes. After that, I'm going to use this template. Click OK. And again, save the changes. Let's refresh it. All right, let's go back. We have this login protection. We are using this URL now. Save the changes and try to log in using this new URL. So you will see that we are using the new link to log into the website. If I try to log in using the default WordPress link, it will redirect me to the home page. So the spammer will not be able to log in using the default WordPress link. Here you will see the new template has been applied. This is the logo. We are going to change the logo. Let's go back to design. Go to logo and add your own logo. Right, so this is a demo website. So I'm going to use a demo logo here. After that, we have form. You can customize the form. These are the fields, button, background. This is the background color and custom CSS. This is for the customization of the login page. After that, we have temporary access. You can create temporary access, and we have license. So you can enter your license key and get it activated. So this is all about the settings of the WP Captcha plugin. You can try using the free plugin, which has limited features. You can enable only the Google reCaptcha. If you want to use all these security features for your WordPress website, you can definitely try using the premium version of the WP Captcha plugin. The pricing of the premium version is only $49 per year for a single website. You can create up to 7 different types of captchas. You can use firewalls, login page customization is there. You can also use two-factor authentication, a temporary access link, and you can also use country blocking. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.